Up next, the most unique looking bike I'm shooting today. A 2017 Moto Guzzi V9 bobber in color matte black with some checkered flag looking logo treatment. Really pretty bike. 2017 with extremely low miles, under 4,000. Features an 853cc V-twin engine, but it's mounted a little different than the Harleys and the Victorys and the, hell, even the Yamahas and the Suzukis V-twin engines. The engine develops 55 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed transmission, and the bike weighs under 500 pounds. You've got a really nice ratio there, thrust to weight. Excellent performance and handling. And just look at it, it's just so different. It's cool. From Italy, a 2017 Moto Guzzi V9 bobber. Low miles, looking perfect, ready for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.